You made a reel and saved it in draft and now want to edit but can't figure out how to? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to edit draft reels on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the icon at the bottom left. Here, next to the post, tap on the reel icon. Tap on Drafts. Here, it will show you the list of drafts that you have saved. Select the one that you want to edit. In this section, you can tag people, add collaborators, select the audience, and even add location. If you want more options, then tap on Edit at the top right. Here, you can edit the clips, add audios, add texts, add GIFs, stickers, and even do voiceovers. After you like the edit, tap on the arrow at the top right. Then tap on Share at the bottom right. And this is how to edit draft reels on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.